In this video, you will learn the 4 seasons and 12 months in English. First, seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year: spring, summer, fall in American English, or autumn in British English, and winter. Pronunciation practice. Repeat the words after me. Season. Season. Spring. Spring. Summer. Summer. Fall. Fall. Autumn. Autumn. Winter. Winter. Grammar part. Look, we say in plus season. Courses start in spring. Courses start in summer. Courses start in fall. Courses start in winter. Now, let's make full sentences with seasons. For one season, we use is. Listen. Winter is cold. Summer is hot. Repeat. Winter is cold. Summer is hot. For 2 seasons or more, we use are. Listen. Fall and spring are warm. Again. Fall and spring are warm. Now you can say which season is cold, hot, or warm in English. It is time to see example sentences. Spring is a warm season. The temperature is above 0 in spring. Summer is hot. The temperature is 30 degrees in summer. Fall, autumn can be warm or cold. The temperature in fall is like in spring. Winter is usually cold. The temperature is below 0. Now, let's talk about months. There are 4 seasons and 12 months in a year. A season has 3 months. Spring, March, April, May. Summer, June, July, August. Fall, autumn, September, October, November. Winter, December, January, February. But the year starts in January. January is the first month. Listen and repeat the order of the months. First, January. Second, February. Third, March. Fourth, April. Fifth, May. Sixth, June. Seventh, July. 8th, August. 9th, September. 10th, October. 11th, November. 12th, December. One more time. The year starts in January and ends in December. Now we will practice pronouncing the 12 months. Listen first. Then repeat the words after me. March. March. April. 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 May. May. June. June. July. 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 August. 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 September. 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 October. 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 November. 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 December. 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 January, January, January. February, February, February. Good! Now, let's look at some grammar with months. In English, we always write the names of months with a capital letter. Look, March, April, May. This is correct. Here, March, April, May, with small letters, this is not correct. We say in with months. The course starts in January, in February, in March, etc. Now, let's make full sentences with months. For 1 month, we use the verb form is. Listen. January is cold. July is hot. For 2 months or more, we use are. Listen. April and May are warm. Great. Now you can make a sentence with months. Some more example sentences. January is the first month of the year. Valentine's Day is in February. March. The letters CH make the sound ch. March. There are 31 days in March. Easter is often in April. The Eurovision Song Contest is in May. June. The last letter E is silent. We don't say it. June. The music festival is in June. July is a hot month. Tom and Anna visit Brazil in August. School starts in September. Germany's Oktoberfest is in October. Black Friday is in November. December. When C comes before E, it sounds like S. December. Christmas is in December. What do you remember from the lesson? We will do some small tests about seasons and months. Exercise 1. Look at the 4 seasons and the months on the screen. Your job is to match each season with the 3 correct months. Say your answers aloud or write them. Exercise 2. Find and correct the mistakes. Exercise 3. Which month is missing? Which month is missing? Exercise 6. Find and correct the mistakes. Exercise 7. Which words are missing?